Hi, I'm Ashley Seitz. This is my sixth course at Widener University, and my background is not in social work, so this is my first experience with social work and social work courses. I would like to eventually work in perinatal social work. I'm interested in helping women and families to deal with any mental health issues that arise during pregnancy and through to, around age 1 or so. I'm also really interested in equine assisted therapy techniques, and I'd really like to become licensed and learn how to provide that type of service. My favorite movie is probably My Fair Lady. It's a musical from, I think, I don't know, maybe the 60s. It has Audrey Hepburn. I love it. Um, Hobbies and interests. I have a new house and I really enjoy gardening and yard work. I also like crafting, sewing, art. Some of the assets that I bring to this class. I'm really organized. I when even doing a post, I really like to make sure I have bold-faced headings. I really like things to be displayed in an organized fashion. I love charts and pictures. So I think that can help when I'm writing my posts, and it helps me to understand things if I put them out in an organized format. I'm really detail oriented. I think I have a pretty good ability to retain information and details about people, names, stories. I can remember things for a long time. I also think I'm pretty empathetic, which is a strength and can also be a weakness for me. Sometimes I can really internalize something when I hear it, and really get myself to this place where I'm really trying to understand how a person feels. And sometimes I think that can be a fault as well as an asset, and something I'll have to work on to be able to maintain my own emotions when working with clients. I'm really looking forward to this class. The material is really interesting to me, and I'm looking forward to meeting everyone. Thank you.